Testing, testing, testing. Talking in 3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, welcome to today's quick preview of our digital imagination journals. This is a quick preview of what you will get if you order off of our TPT or tabletopteachingllc.com store websites. So you will purchase and then download the activity. What will happen is you'll get a PDF. When you pull up the PDF, this is the teacher instructions. So I say here, assign PDF on your virtual classroom. Tell students to complete 2 slides per day. After 30 days, they will turn in their journal. Blah, 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 blah. So this is what you will first get. You can click anywhere on this first page and it will pop up with what you are going to assign on your virtual classroom, whether you've Google Classroom or Microsoft or whatever it is that you guys use. So what you will do is click up in the top right corner to download it to your computer, and then you'll have your own PDF download of the student PDF. This is what you will assign on Google Classroom. You will say, hi students, today we're starting our imagination journals. I want you to complete 2 slides every day and turn it in to me when it's complete. Or you can say, I want you to turn in your slides once a week so I can see an updated version of your journals each week. Whatever it is that you want to say in your instructions. The students will then open up the PDF, and you'll say open the PDF and click on your favorite color to begin typing in your digital journals. So say I really like this one. I click on it and then I click make a copy. And then now I have my grade 2 literacy journal. I can immediately begin typing into it once it loads. And here's the cover I chose. And then I'll go in here and I'll put my book's title, which is Happy Birthday, I don't know. And then I can say the date is 9/24/20, and then I can put my name here, and then I can say my age, and if I'm in 2nd grade, hopefully I'm not 30. And then that means I do this page first, so make sure that you clearly state that slides 3 and 4 are your first 2 assignments. So I'll click in here and I'll say my favorite thing to do is create fun videos for teachers and parents. Okay. And then you get the point from here. So this is their first 2 activities, then they get a writing prompt, then the next 2 activities are them reflecting on what they wrote and they're analyzing setting here. Then this one is where they draw their story, and then they get to do a grammar activity. Now they're going to do a sentence practice, and then they're going to take photos and create a story based off of those 3 to 4 photos that they put up there. And then they type up a quick story. And then they've got 2 who are yous, and then the process repeats. Okay, so they've got the prompt, and then they get to write their story on these 2 pages, and then they get to reflect. And on this reflection, they're analyzing the main characters. And then with this prompt, they're going to write a poem or 2. Okay. And then this is how they're going to reflect, but it's also grammar. And then with their outdoor adventure, they get to either take photos from their adventure or they get to draw and upload. And then more grammar, another story prompt, and then they're going to analyze the mood of their story and change it. Then they're going to draw it and then create a fun picture mini story. And then they have the who are you, and then talking about their favorite movie some more, about who they are and reflecting on that. Some more grammar, another writing prompt, and then with their reflections, they're going to read it as if there's talking in 3, 2, 1. And then with their reflection, they reflect how they're able to make people feel a certain way. And then this process keeps repeating for 30 days, and they do 2 slides a day until they get to the end and turn in their assignment to their virtual classroom. I hope that you guys like the ideas in our cool digital imagination journals, and you can look out for our physical copies of these journals, which have different activities and different prompts and are very, very much different. There's 100 pages in our printable version, so keep an eye out for that, and we hope you like it. If you liked this video, please comment below, share it with people who might be interested in these fun literacy building journals, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out at tabletopteachingllc.com. We'll see you guys next time.